help us love our pets and take good care of them.
And today we're talking about kidney health with our pets. Hi, Dr. Jill.
Hey, good morning. It's so hot out. Make sure your pets have plenty of water to preserve their kidneys this weekend. It's going to be a scorcher, and the most common thing I see are pets with dehydration. So I just want to make that note before we talk about kidney health. It's really important.
Okay. And do help us. This is interesting. I mean, you know, I know when my doggy had a burr in his paw because he'd stop and he'd gnaw on it and he'd limp, but when there's something internal, what are the signs we look for?
Well, you know, excessive thirst, sometimes excessive urination, big symptoms in kidney disease, but also just the opposite. Some of them don't drink and they don't urinate, so you want to look for that. Poor hair coat, huge. Vomiting, diarrhea, kind of an arched back, some of those things, because the kidneys can cause a lot of pain in the back area. So make sure you have your pet checked out. Put them on a moist diet. You guys know how I feel about a good moist diet for your pets. I think the dry foods really dry them up and dehydrate them. And so I want to make sure people know plenty of moisture, especially through this hot weather.
How common is kidney disease in dogs?
It's fairly common, actually, but more common in cats. And I want to make mention, because now, you know, kidney disease is really hot in veterinary medicine. It's a really popular disorder, unfortunately, and a lot of it can be prevented. There's some great products out on the market now that are all natural, and I wanted to make mention because a lot of people don't know about these. Some of them are on the pretense of using all natural things like amino acids. This is a brand new one that's hit the market that's crazy. Your veterinarian should know about it. It's called Renavast. It's got an amino acid protein that helps break down and digest the foods better. This is a food therapy supplement. It actually has ground up bovine kidney in it. In Chinese medicine, they believe what you're deficient in, you should feed that organ. And then I love this one. This one has a lot of natural nutraceuticals, and it has vitamins in it as well. They actually make a chewable now for your pet for treating kidney disease, or at least helping with it. And then really important, fatty acids. A lot of times people don't realize fish oils, krill oils are very helpful to bathe the kidneys and help the heart function as well.
And Dr. Joe, before we let you go, you've got a big event that has some wine involved coming up real soon.
Right. Saturday, we're having a wine tasting fundraiser for VARC, Veterinary After Rescue Care. It's here located at the clinic on the property. It's from 1 to 5, and we're going to have wine tasting by Alma Della Vina. It's a fabulous winery. The chocolate architect is going to be here doing fudge tasting.
Oh, man.
We're going to have a silent auction. So come on by, you guys. It's great. It's free to get in. The tastings are free, and then there's a silent auction and raffle also.
The chocolate architect fudge with the little toffee bits in it. Oh, my gosh. It's one of my favorite things in the world. Have a good time, Dr. Jill. We hope you get a great turnout.
Thanks, you guys.
And again, varkinfo.org. It rhymes with barkinfo.org. It's not hard to remember. And if you want to schedule an appointment with Dr. Jill, check out her website, drjillwithany.com, or give her a call. The number is right there on your screen.
All right, coming up next, this